We are proud gold sponsors of the second international conference here in Cyprus for defense and security. Our company CYRIC has participated successfully the last 2 days at the conference and presented in their booth, both inside and also outside, the new generation of unmanned aerial and ground system, UAVs, UGVs, where we have demonstrated that the Cyprus industry can design, develop, produce, and distribute products in the international markets. It's very important also to mention that at the conference, we had excellent participants from around the globe and showcased and talked about the new technologies in the space of defense and security. From our side, we have presented the new advanced features of our drones that includes their durability for long duration in the air, their stealth capabilities, and also the munition capabilities, both for aerial and also for ground systems.